Hey, welcome to another episode of Fact or Fiction. I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and our email list has been growing every single week. And this week, a majority of the questions, we were talking about anxiety. So today we're gonna find out what's fact and what's fiction. How's it going, AD? I was recently pressured in going to a party with my best friend. When I was there, I felt like my heart was going to explode out of my chest. I told her what was going on and she begged me to stay and said not to worry about it. Is it true that anxiety is nothing to worry about? Much love, Angie. Angie, sorry to break the news to you, but your friend is 100% wrong. This is fiction. Anxiety can cause significant problems with your health. People experience anxiety in everyday situations. We're talking job interviews, taking a test. Without treatment, anxiety can lead to mental health problems such as depression, insomnia, or substance abuse. Look, if you're having trouble getting through your day, speak to your doctor. You'll be totally surprised. Look, there's health apps out there that can possibly help you. The internet, FaceTime, tons and tons of different ways that can actually help you get through your anxiety so you can have a more purposeful day. Next question. What's up, AD? I have a serious problem. I absolutely cannot get through my day without a cup of Joe. I recently got hooked on it, and it's almost like I can't function without it. I've noticed my workflow has changed and I'm having trouble concentrating. Do I need to find a new fix, or is this feeling all in my head? Thank you, Chris. Listen here, Chris. This feeling is not in your head. This is 100% fact. If you have anxiety, believe it or not, caffeine can definitely influence the way that you feel. Caffeine is a stimulant, and that can be bad news for someone with anxiety. Look, by having too much caffeine in your system, your body begins to release adrenaline. And adrenaline, we already know what that's gonna do. That's gonna hype you up, and that's gonna even make you more anxious. The more caffeine that you have in your system, you're gonna cause your body to have caffeine-induced anxiety. Chris, there's so many other options out there. Look, if you like the taste of coffee, try decaffeinated coffee. And then there's also other options. You're talking about tea, herbal tea, things along those lines. And those things are gonna be more beneficial to you and your health. Next question. Hey AD, I have a huge test coming up, but I'm super anxious because I feel like I'm going to fail. Whenever I study, I get panic attacks and I feel like they last for hours. Is this untreatable? Will I feel like this forever? Thank you in advance. Natalie. Hey Natalie, no need to worry. Anxiety can definitely be treated. This is fiction. Anxiety affects millions of Americans, and unfortunately, majority of them go without treatment. There are many options out there that can improve anxiety and also the quality of life. There's things like exercise, meditation. There's also therapy. Look, I know people don't like therapy, but to be honest, therapy can actually help you in these kinds of situations. It's definitely a natural way of you working through those kinds of issues. Medication. I know sometimes people run to this option. There's so many other natural ways for you to deal with your anxiety, and you should seek those options out first. Like chamomile. Believe it or not, chamomile helps your body to reduce muscle spasms, and it helps to reduce insomnia. So you're gonna sleep better. Thanks for your question, Natalie. Look, this is a real big issue, but Dherbs actually has a formula that can help you. It's called the Nerve Formula. And also, look, we have tons of articles. We're a great source of information for anything that's going on with you and your body. If you have any comments or concerns, leave it in the comment section or email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. And lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.